Hello, my name is Tobias Kromer from SEW Eurodrive. I work there as a group manager. Today here we have our startup agent prepared for you. This helps so that everybody can start up a frequency inverter very easily. We configured our inputs on our handheld and we converted the user units so that we can move our belt. Right now it's all finished, and if we press on this button, that means we enable the whole setup, and from there we can move our product on our belt. Once the package hits the light curtain, it will stop automatically. Come and see us on Hanover, SEW Eurodrive. We will be there and we will be very happy to see you there and show you our innovations.